Hey, welcome to another episode of DIYCarModz. I'm Jeff, and today I'm going to show you the difference between the DRL from the 2013 through 2015 Honda Accord 4-cylinder to the 2013 to 15 V6, and also the 2016-17 headlights as well as the Touring. This won't be applicable to the 16 LX model. Alright, so here is my 2013 Honda Accord 4-cylinder. On the 4-cylinder vehicle, the DRL is going to be the HighBeam bulb. What the vehicle does is it sends out a PWM signal to that bulb, and so that is why it looks like it's flickering when you have LED bulbs inside. Basically, it's sending power in spikes, and so through the camera you can see it like flickering, but in your bare eye you're not going to be able to see this flickering. Okay, now the V6 does not have the HighBeam as a DRL. In fact, it has the LED strip that's down here, and this is the LED DRL. It's the same thing for the 2016-17 Honda Accord non-LX. The strip would be the LED DRL. Now up here is a 2013 to 2015 Honda Accord V6. Again, it comes with LED DRL that I'm going to be installing on my vehicle, but I want to show you that I made a harness so that it will convert this LED strip to work as the stock function. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and connect the wire from the harness that I've created to the LED connector in the back here. And there you go. So the bottom one right here is for the 13 to 15 4-cylinder. The top one is that LED strip. That's the DRL for the V6 from 13 to 15. Or 16-17 non-LX headlight. Now during the day, this LED strip is going to be full bright, and when you turn on either the parking light or the headlight, it's going to dim just like factory OEM headlights. So as you can see, I have the parking lights turned on and the light dimmed out. I'm going to go ahead and turn off the parking light and it will brighten back up. Alright, so there you go. As you can see, everything works. Alright, this harness is not complete yet. I still need to make a few tweaks and adjustments. But once I'm ready to sell, I'll let you guys know. It'll be posted on my Instagram page. Now the main purpose of this harness is for those of you that are installing the Touring LED headlights from the 16-17 Honda Accord. Whether it's a coupe or sedan, doesn't matter, the connectors are the same. And you have a 9th gen 2013 to 15 4-cylinder vehicle, you're going to need this additional harness on top of the Touring conversion harness, and possibly even have to install a load resistor harness if you don't have load resistors already installed for the turn signal. And it's because 4-cylinder vehicle for the 13 to 15 Honda Accord has the DRL as the HighBeam, not the LED strip. So there is no connector for the LED strip on the 4-cylinder vehicle. And you can't simply go ahead and take the connector that's for the parking light, which is a 2-pin connector, and convert that to a 3-pin connector and make this LED strip work as factory light, where it's going to be bright during the day and dim during the night. That's not going to work. There is a harness out there that's advertised as a DRL conversion harness, but that really is not a DRL conversion harness. What that harness does is it takes the parking light connector and then converts it into a 3-pin connector, one of the 3-pin connectors for the DRL plug, and just converts this to a parking light. It doesn't connect it to a DRL light. Parking light basically means this light won't turn on until you physically turn on either your parking light on the headlight switch or have the headlight fully turned on. And so that harness that they're selling is false advertising because, again, it's not a DRL conversion harness. It's just a parking light harness, conversion harness, you can think of it as. That's just taking the one little bulb that's found on the 4-cylinder vehicle and making it so that the whole strip will turn on. Again, you have to turn on the headlight switch to either one click to parking or have to turn the headlight fully on. But just know that once you have the parking light turned on, your tail light will be on, your license plate light will be on, your corner turn signal will be on for the parking bulb, and all that stuff as well, not only your LED. But the harness that I'm currently working on will make it so that the LED strip will turn on and we'll have the functionality of OEM stock V6 or turning headlights. So where it's going to be bright during the day, it's going to dim down during the night whenever you have the parking or the headlight turned on. All right, as always, thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.